As soon as the lockdown was announced, most of us found in the supermarket buying lots and lots of food. And now what do we have? We have a room full of food and the room is locked. So what do we end up doing? So we end up consuming it, and most of us are putting on weight. So that has been one constant problem through this lockdown. Somehow I've managed to escape that this time. Somehow I managed to control my weight and keep it in the correct range through the lockdown. And I'd like to share with you what I chanced upon that helped me do this. Plus, I'd also like to tell you why I feel it is easy for all of us to do this compared to other things like dieting, which we've been doing all along. I'd like to tell you about my experience with that. So this happened around 9 months ago, the month of June 2019, when I was on a visit to Nairobi. I was invited there by the Department of Neurosurgery of Kenyatta Hospital to come and demonstrate a few surgeries and interact with the students over there. So after this thing was over, the teaching sessions, I'd gone out for lunch with one of the faculty members. It was Dr. Michael. And Dr. Michael, during the course of our discussion, spoke about his problems with weight and how he had moved from being fat to being fit. So that was something which really interested me. And honestly, he was also very keen to share. So somebody who's lost weight is always keen to tell others about how to go about it. So he spoke about how he's managed to shed kilos. He spoke about how he's managed to do away with excess inches around his waist. He also spoke about how it has affected his entire life in terms of him being more active, more agile, getting better sleep. So he was going all gaga about it. And then he introduced the term intermittent fasting. That was the first time that I heard these two words being used together, intermittent and fasting. So it was around 9 months ago that I learnt about it. And I took it with a pinch of salt, because fasting, making you active, making you agile, somehow just didn't click to me. So, but still, since he was saying with so much enthusiasm, and since he was talking about something which I don't mind embracing, I liked what he said. But then I had to go ahead and do my own cross-referencing. So on the way back, in the flight itself, I'd started listening to TED Talks on the same. Then I referenced a few articles about intermittent fasting, and all of it said something really interesting, something about the positives of intermittent fasting and how it is actually helpful. So I came back to India, and then I took to it. Within 7 days I was on it, and I was following it very well, was fasting for 18 hours and just eating for the remaining 6 hours. So I was able to manage it pretty well. And for the past 9 months I've been able to manage. Initially, my friends who were skeptical about it have also started doing it. And then I started wondering that all of us keep trying different types of diets and at some point give up. Now, this is one thing which has actually been with me for the last 9 months, and I've been at it, and I think I'm hooked for good. So what is the difference between this and the routine dieting? So I thought about it, and I just realized, if you think about how you are, how you've lived your life, you will realize your mind is trained in terms of time. And here, what you're challenging is time. And trust me, we are all used to it. You're used to challenging time every day. You get up at a particular time, you go to office from a particular time to a particular time. You exercise for 2 hours, again you're challenging yourself with time. When you sit down and study, you study for a number of hours, again you're challenging time. So that is something which we are more used to rather than anything else. This is something which we do it on a day-to-day basis. So that is one thing which has actually helped me. In intermittent fasting, everything else remains the same except for the period that you're fasting for. So it is more or less bound by time than anything else. Though a bit extreme, it kind of makes you move out of your comfort zone, but still you're dealing with an entity which you have dealt with through your life every day. So that is the thing which helped me stay hooked on to intermittent fasting. So I've been doing it for the last 9 months, and it has been really helpful in this period where, as I told you, even I'm surrounded by quite a bit of junk in my house, but still I avoid it. I'm pretty sure that I would only be eating in that small interval, and I've managed to do that. So it is an extremely simple way of controlling your weight. It is really helpful. It has other benefits also. Experimental studies have shown benefits in terms of longevity, benefits in terms of anti-cancer benefits. So all in all, it seems very promising. And for me, I've been doing it for 9 months and I felt that it has really clicked. So as long as you're in lockdown and even once you come out of it, this is something which maybe I feel you should try out. It's easy. We've been doing it all our life. That is challenging time. And all you got to do is challenge time and overcome something which you've not been able to overcome for a long time, that is controlling your weight. Thank you.